What's up, gig workers? Welcome back to the channel. And if this is your first time here and you want to watch more video of different kind of gig apps, you know what to do. Like, subscribe, and hit that bell so whenever I post a video, you will be notified. Today I'll be working with Uber Eats, DoorDash, and Skip the Dishes. I have a shift with DoorDash from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. and a shift with Skip the Dishes from 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. And Uber Eats, just work whenever you want, right? So come along for the ride and stick around to the end if you want to watch the breakdown of the tips and how much I made per hour. All that said, let's go make some money. It's St. Patrick's Day and hopefully it's going to be a busy evening, right? The time is 3:59. I'm just going to log into Uber Eats. Uber Eats, you're online. Your shift has started. Matching orders. This $49.49 is from lunch hours with Skip the Dishes. We're not going to add that for the evening shift, obviously. DoorDash, I'm just going to log in at 5 p.m. and it's at the central zone. And right now I'm at the northwest for Skip the Dishes and Uber. It's a 10 minutes drive from northwest to the central zone. Just gonna see how that's gonna work out. Hey guys, this is the first one and it's from Skip the Dishes, $7.11 for 6.6 kilometers. Try and make a U-turn here. And this is a A&W pickup. This apartment complex is a nightmare. Swipe to deliver. Come here at night. Oh, you're gonna have really good fun. See, it's so confusing here, and especially there's construction going on. It's been like a year and it's not finished, every building. This is another Skip the Dishes order, $7 for 6.1 kilometers. Yeah, I reversed and I hit the I hit one of those construction machine. The bumper is all scratched and damaged. Rear bumper. Grab that pizza. Taco Time in Esso. And then there's a pizza restaurant there too. Customer is 7 minutes away. 4.9 kilometers. Collect that pizza from Pizza Land. Another pizza delivery. Time is 4:59 and my shift starts with DoorDash at 5. I have to be in that zone to start dashing. I'm probably gonna lose the shift. So let's go drop this pizza off. 6 minutes away and it's going the opposite direction where I have to go to log in with DoorDash. This is Skip the Dishes, crazy busy. $8.16 for 2.2 kilometers. Accept. Swipe to collect. Ready to drive. Let's see how far this customer is. It's a pretty short drive because it's like 2 kilometers. 5 minutes away, 2 kilometers. Not bad, not bad. Thank you. Have a good one. Swipe to deliver. So I adjust my time at DoorDash instead of 5 p.m. to 5:30. Right now it's 5:25. Maybe I could drive to the zone before Skip the Dishes send me an order. Because I tried to pause it, it wouldn't allow me to pause it. See? Said unable to complete your request. Please try again in a moment. I think when they're busy, they'll take away that feature and allow you to pause. It's good in one way and it's bad in the other way. Suppose I want to go to use the washroom. Let's see if we could go to DoorDash zone really fast. Hey guys, this is Skip. $7 for 3.7 kilometers. Yeah, I was going to the DoorDash zone and then I received this order from Skip the Dishes. I'm just gonna forget about it. It's make no sense to drive all the way there just to log in to keep that shift. Grab that order. Customer is 4 minutes away, 2.3 kilometers. I log in with Uber Eats from the start and then I log out because Skip the Dishes was so busy. I didn't log in back since then. Happy St. Patrick's Day if you're celebrating it. If not, that's okay. See my shift here with DoorDash from 5:30 to 8. I'm just gonna forget it. I try to adjust it again, but they wouldn't allow me. Okay, this is Uber, $12.43 for 11.2 kilometers. I'll accept it. Uber sent me an add-on for $3.97 for 3 kilometers. And this is Burger King. First, we have to go pick up the first order from Original Joe's. Pick up that order from Original Joe's. And let's go to Burger King now. Burger King is just next door. Less than 1 kilometer. It's like right over there. I don't know if you could see it from here. So I grabbed that order from Burger King. Let's go drop off TJS first. It says extra 3 kilometers, but right now it's showing 4.6 kilometers. When I accept it, it says extra 3 kilometers, right? Look, 4.6. 8 minutes for $3.90 something cents. $41. So now I'm gonna log in back to Skip the Dishes because I paused it for the Uber Eats order. Ever try Freshies food? It's healthy stuff, very healthy, and it's Canadian. It's a Canadian franchise. Wow, it'll take a while in there. 10 minutes maybe. This is Skip the Dishes, $7, 2 kilometers. Nothing new. All evening is just $7. The good thing about Skip the Dishes, the $7 are short drop off. This one is 2 kilometers. A&W on Osborne, 2 minutes away. Okay, let's go there. I still wear my sunglasses and it's 7:16. What? Summer is here. No, actually spring is here first. Guys, buy a good sunglasses for your eyes. It's good. Protect your eyes from the sun. Swipe to deliver. Whoa, another one right away. That's pretty awesome. Guess what? $7, 1.4 kilometers. Charisma of India. Here I come. You guys like Indian food? Curry chicken? Goat curry? Is it curry chicken or chicken curry? Which one is it? Leave a comment down below. deliver that delicious food. Oh, my car smells so really good. Now I'm hungry for Indian food. I had that 2 orders only from Uber Eats. Let's log into Uber Eats. The customer was really nice. She said she quit smoking cold turkey. Now she's addictive ordering food online. This is a healthier hobby. Unless all depends what you order. McDonald's. Yeah guys, I had a last order from Skip the Dishes, $8.14, and was going 2 kilometers. Yeah, I was on my way to drop off that Uber Eats order. I didn't get to take a screenshot, and that was my last order for the night. The time is 8:01. That's it for me, 4 hours. I want to thank you guys for watching the video if you made it this far, and stick around for the summary. I think there's 2 more tips have to come in for Uber Eats. Okay, hello guys, welcome back, and this is a summary. I had 2 delivery with Uber Eats. Let's start with the one from the bottom, $23.41, and this was a double order. The customer from Burger King tipped $4, and then the customer from Original Joe's tipped $3. So Original Joe's was the most expensive restaurant and most expensive food, and that customer only tipped $3, and the guy from Burger King tipped $4 with just 2 burgers only. Let's move over to Skip the Dishes, $114.90. This is for the whole day. Yeah, from the start of the video I showed that I made $49.49 for lunch hours with Skip the Dishes. We're gonna add that to the evening shift. So the evening shift started from here, the A&W, for $7. And this customer tipped $2. I'm not going to go through all of them. So I have $1, $7, $2, $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8. $7. And the highest was $8.16. This customer tipped $4.67. And the other $8 one was $8.14. This customer tipped $4.65. So Uber Eats was $29.41 plus $65.49 for Skip the Dishes, equal $94.82, minus $7 for gas. Gas is very expensive right now. Give us $87.82 divided by 4 hours, equal $21.95 per hour. Awesome wage. Well, let's round it up to $22. I'm happy with that. On a Wednesday, I guess because of St. Patrick's Day, it feels like a Friday night, and was so busy with Skip the Dishes. That's about it, $22. I'll take it to the bank, and I'm very happy with that wage. Awesome, awesome. So again, I want to thank you guys for watching. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below. Stay healthy, stay wealthy. Peace out.